Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alaba from Alaba Creations. If it's your first time here, please today just subscribe to my channel. If you find anything interesting in this video today, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends and family. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Click on the notification icon bell so next time I upload any new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Thank you very much for being there. Please, I want you to help me grow this channel. Yeah, this is a very beautiful and simple box, safe box that I made today because my daughter asked me to make this the safe box. I don't know what is, I don't know if it has a particular name for it, but if you do know the name for it, can you please leave it in the comment section below. So when my daughter asked me to make this safe box for her, I immediately went ravaging my stock to see what I can use for this project. So I came across this pile of frame that I've removed from picture frame that I use for my other projects. So it was very handy for me. I had to remove the stand so that it can lay flat. So that's what I'll be using today. It's just backing of the picture frame that I'm using to make this project. I'm not buying any new material for this project. Everything I'm using today, I have them at home, and I did. This DIY came out more than I expected. It's just so surprising to me that I could be able to make such a beautiful box out of things that you normally can just put in the trash, but you can see that you can make a lot of things out of or you can recycle a lot of things out of your your leftover material from your projects. So this is one of them, and I'm very happy that my daughter also wanted me to, or challenged me to this project, and I came through for her. Yeah, this is something that is very easy to put together, and it doesn't need a lot of time as long as you have everything in the house that you need to put your stuff together. It can just come out. I mean, you can see the results. That I find it very easy, very beautiful. I mean, as a matter of fact, for less than nothing, that I didn't pay not even 1 cent for anything I use here today. Everything I used was right here in my home, and yeah, I think it's something that you need to try. And if you did make anything like this, let me know in the comment section. Thank you. To decorate this box, you can use anything that you choose to use, any decorative item. I used gift paper for mine. As you can see, it's very beautiful. It's champagne gold, and it came out so nice. I didn't even really, because when I was when I wanted to make this thing box, I was trying to make it like, for little girls, and just put it together so she can throw her little change inside the box, inside her safe. But immediately I started the project, I was having different ideas, things were coming in my head that I really I really went even beyond what I initially planned for this DIY. Yeah, it came out nice, and I hope that you like it. I hope that you try to make one of these, and if you did make one of these, please let me know. And whilst we are talking, if it's your first time here, please subscribe to this channel. I really want to grow my channel, and I want your support, I want your help. For those that have been with me for some time, that have subscribed to my channel, I really appreciate you. I will never take your loyalty for granted. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. If you are a new subscriber, I also thank you and welcome to this channel. Thank you for all that you have done for me. Thank you for all you have done for this channel. If it's your first time just coming across this video, please try to see to my other videos. Maybe you will see one or two that will catch your eye. My video is just generally to help you to improve in whatever thing you are doing. I'm also still learning. I'm learning from people, and I'm open for suggestion. If you ever come across this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it to your friends and family. Maybe they also will find something interesting in it. Okay, thank you for everything. I really appreciate you, and don't forget to press on the notification bell icon, and that in that way you can get notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you very much for everything. Now my box is ready. It's all glammed up and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I can't even believe how beautiful it turned out, and I'm so super proud that I took up this challenge. And yeah, my box is done, it's ready, and I will just show you how I dressed it up. Even though it's not mine, it's for my daughter. I'm going to handle it to her immediately after this video. Well, yeah, you can just see how I just put it in my table here, and looking very beautiful and gorgeous. Yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Leave your whatever thing you want to say about this video today, leave it in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. So right now I will be leaving you with peace, and I hope you stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I can't emphasize that enough. I really want to grow this channel. With your help, I know I will achieve that. And click on the notification bell icon and press all on that bell so that each time I put out a video you will be notified. Thank you for your support and love, and I love you back. Bye.